Welcome back to this channel. This video is about how to use Amazon to make money on HubPages. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Now, there is only one way to use Amazon on HubPages, and that is through affiliate. So basically, you add Amazon products to your articles and earn a commission when a customer buys through your articles. And there are two ways to add Amazon products to your articles. That is through inline text links and through Amazon Capsules. Now, to add these products through the inline text link, you need to come and edit a text capsule. Then highlight the anchor text that describes your product. After this, you need to click this link button, then add your Amazon product link at this section. You can also choose a product below here and go on to save your text capsule. When it comes to using a product capsule, you need to come and add this product capsule to your article. Now, the next thing is to edit this capsule. If you have the link, ASI or ISBN number of the Amazon product, you can add it at this section, then describe your product a little bit and save your capsule. You can also search for your product at this section, add it to the capsule, then preview the result and finally save the capsule. And after all this is how the inline text link and the product capsule will look like. So this is like everything for this video, and if you like this video, do me a favor by clicking the like button below and subscribing to this channel for more of these exciting videos.